Hey guys, it's Jaime from Bet on Silver, and today I'm going to talk about the Ender 3 3D printer. So if you go to the website creality3d.shop, you'll find the Ender 3 3D printer Economic Ender do-it-yourself kits. It runs about $167, which was right in my budget. So if you scroll down a little bit, it'll talk about shipping and where it ships from and where it goes to. So I've heard horror stories about the shipping process on this particular product. Even my daughter said she found some reviews online that might kind of suggest that it was a scam, but let me tell you, I got the product and there was no problem with it. It did take about 3 weeks though. So the unpacking video. So there's an unpacking video right underneath it. I didn't have to look at that, but underneath that, more importantly, there's an assembly video. Now the assembly video I could have used because it was frustrating to assemble. It took my daughter and I about 2 hours to completely assemble. So once you do that, to look for more support videos, just go to YouTube, type in Ender 3, and I found all kinds of videos. I had videos that actually really helped me fix some problems and solutions I had for the Ender 3. So there's a lot of support on YouTube for this particular model of the Ender 3. So the software does not come with it, but you can download for free the Ultimaker Cura. This is a really simple software to use. I am not a graphic designer, but Cura makes this really simple to import the files, and then you're going to export the file as a G-code, and then that's going to go to the printer to print. So there's an example of a logo that I bought. Speaking of that, I bought the logos off of Etsy. Now you can download free files for the 3D printer, or you can buy them. I choose to buy some. I want to support small business, so I bought some on Etsy for a couple of bucks. Here's an example of one of the things I bought. It's a Imperial Crest logo, and it's a keychain. It was labeled as a keychain, and so you can imagine the creativity you can do with that. I also did a couple other things. The whole purpose was to up my game in melting and pouring silver. So I did have another logo made, and I cast it in silver. So if you found this video useful, do me a favor and hit the like button. You can also subscribe to my YouTube station, Bet on Silver. And don't forget to comment with any questions, concerns, or if you have a recommendation for another video.